Amakite emibala ehlukene ahlobise isibhakabhaka eKapa kulomcimbi ohlanganisa iminyaka engama-26 waba khona. Ngenxa yokuqubuka kwe-COVID-19 abagqugquzeli baqhamuke nendlela ehlukile kulonyaka.
We've thought about, what would be the way that we could obviously, inspire hope and still bring this event that brings joy to so many people around the world.
Ngohlelo lwe-internet ababambe iqhaza bangandizisa amakite abo besendaweni abayifisayo nangesikhathi esibafanele. Abantu bangathumela izithombe nemfanekiso yama-videos bendizisa lamakite abo bese bawathumela ngokuthi #HopeOnTheRise @CTKiteFest ezinkundleni zokuxhumana ezisemthethweni.
It is such an amazing feeling. Once you have a kite up and flying in the air, the world gets charged with a different kind of an energy. And people look up and it lifts us up out of this thing.
Lumcimbi oqhubekayo uyoze uyophela mhla zingama-30 nomuvo kwephezulu.